Namaste, खुश रहो बेटिया. I JBN Varsha Singh from Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Today we will discuss what is consumer to consumer e-commerce. Have you ever bought or sold an item on eBay.com or Craigslist.org? If so, you have participated in consumer to consumer e-commerce. That means eBay.com is your example of consumer to consumer e-commerce. So people who come together to buy, sell or trade items online take part in C2C e-commerce. This type of e-commerce is the modern version of using the classified advertising section of your local newspaper or going to an auction. C2C e-commerce is a convenient way for consumers to buy and sell goods without getting in their cars and driving to a store. So now we will see C2C is a business model. So C2C e-commerce differs from the business to business model or business to consumer model because consumers interact directly with each other. However, a business does operates the online platform on which C2C transactions take place. Typically, buyers can shop for free, but sellers sometimes have to pay a fee to list their products. Consumers often play an active role in monitoring e-commerce sites for scams and other inappropriate content. The C2C model entails lower costs and higher profit for buyers and sellers. Sellers can store inventory in a home office and it costs less to market and distribute products than in a traditional business to consumer model. Both new and used goods are sold through C2C e-commerce and fewer middlemen are involved in the transactions. Advances in technology and ease of access to the internet have also made it possible for a growing number of individuals to launch C2C e-commerce business. Here is some example of C2C e-commerce. Craigslist is one of the top websites in the world and the leading services of classified ads. Consumers can not only buy, sell, and trade items but also conduct other transactions such as housing and job searches. The site is very user friendly, allowing consumers to register and list an item for sale within minutes. For consumers looking to make a purchase, they simply go to for sale category and choose the appropriate subcategory. Example computers, furniture, books is received. The Craigslist site is easy to navigate. Consumer conducts their Craigslist transaction via email, but the system business the email address to protect consumer privacy. Craigslist has more than 25 million new classified ads each month posted from more than 450 different cities. So this is all about C2C e-commerce. Thank you class. If any query regarding this session, please comment below. This digital session version 2.0 provided by Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University.